Vegetables name in English. Tomato,
tomato,
lemon,
lemon,
pumpkin,
pumpkin,
broccoli,
broccoli,
cucumber,
cucumber,
onion,
onion,
potato,
potato,
beetroot,
beetroot,
mushroom,
mushroom,
garlic,
garlic,
ginger,
ginger,
carrot,
carrot,
olive,
olive,
radish,
radish,
cauliflower,
cauliflower,
turnip,
turnip,
sweet potato,
sweet potato,
green chili,
green chili,
apple gourd,
apple gourd,
cabbage,
cabbage,
red cabbage,
red cabbage,
corn,
corn,
peas,
peas,
coriander,
coriander,
mint leaves,
mint leaves,
green beans,
green beans,
spinach,
spinach,
bitter gourd,
bitter gourd,
tamarind,
tamarind,
lady finger,
lady finger,
capsicum,
capsicum,
marrow,
marrow,
zucchini,
zucchini,
lettuce,
lettuce,
spring onion,
spring onion,
eggplant,
eggplant,